It rained heavily last night, as you can see some puddles and other wet surface on the ground. This afternoon, a fair weather today, partly cloudy and not so scorching hot, but temperature is about 85 degrees and it feels like 88 or 90 with a 25% chance of scattered thunderstorm. Coming up this weekend, including Monday, 85 degrees, 1 degree below average with a 50-50 at most chance of scattered thunderstorm. While next weekday, it will be fair with some chance of showers. Next weekend, once again, 50-50 chance of scattered thunderstorms.